Hey guys, so today I'm going to make an unboxing video. We're going to unbox the Sony ZV-1. So I have a special parcel with me today. Here it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open, we're going to look at what's inside, and then probably I'll do a test footage just to compare how the video looks like on my phone compared to the Sony ZV-1. So the reason why I wanted to buy a camera is mainly because I like to make travel videos. And the second reason is to replace my old camera, which is the one you're watching on right now, the OnePlus 6, which I bought in 2018. So it's pretty outdated. And also because I feel like no matter how advanced phones get, you have the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy Ultra. They can never beat a real camera because of the size of the image sensor. And the second reason is because I'm going to study abroad soon in the UK. So I really feel like I need a camera to take pictures and also take videos of my study over there. So look forward to those videos as well. Right, so here we have shop name. If you can see, this is called the N4 Camera Store. Padding. So let's talk about price. How much do you think I bought this camera for? It costed me 2,938 ringgit. So this is cheap. This is actually cheap. Compared to the retail price that you get in the Sony camera store, the official store, they go for around 3,400 ringgit. And that's including the VCT grip, which I'll show on the camera soon. So I didn't get the VCT grip because I feel that it's useless and there is a much better value grip that you can get. And I'll share with you later. Here is the main highlight. I'm guessing this is the camera. These are all the free gifts that I got. It cost 338 ringgit, the free gifts. The camera alone is 2.8k. But I'm buying it for 2.9k, inclusive with this free gift. So it's a very good deal. Now this is the substitute that I was talking about. This is infinitely many times better than getting a VCT grip. Because essentially what a VCT grip is just a fancy grip with Bluetooth capability so that you can click the camera shutter or the video button. Where in fact, you can just press it on your finger. Like what's the point of having that 300 ringgit grip, right? Many YouTubers get it as well. So if you're on a tight budget, I recommend you exclude that option and just get the camera. So this is a very, very good tool because you can basically mold it into any shape and clamp it anywhere that you want. Cleaning kit, which I think is essential. SanDisk memory card, 64 gigabyte, and also a screen protector, which is pretty neat. A leather pouch. I'm not sure how true of a leather it is. Velvet, yeah, velvet. So it's very comfy. And you have the strap here. I have the charger and the battery. This canvas pouch and windscreen. This is another pouch in addition to the leather pouch, right, which is much bigger and I think more safe. And here's a cute little dead cat, as people call it, or you can just call it a fur or a windshield to block out the wind sound. Now let's get on to this. I've done research on cameras for about 1 year and I've come to the conclusion that this is the best price to value that I can get. There are about 3 other cameras that I looked into. Canon EOS M50, the Canon EOS 250D, and the Lumix TZ90. If you're wondering why I chose this camera, there are 3 main reasons. 1 is because of its amazing autofocus. 2, because it's compact and very small. And 3, because it has amazing onboard audio, meaning that you don't have to fork out another 200 on microphone because the inbuilt microphone, as you will hear later, is amazing enough. So you have the paperwork. Ta-da! Wow, look at that. The Sony ZV-1 in all of its glory. The screen can be flipped, very useful feature for vloggers. So you see how small it is compared to my palm, it can fit into my entire palm. Stealthy, I would say. and not obvious, and which is a good thing because when you want to take videos outside in the public, you don't want to attract too much attention and you don't want people to look at you weirdly. So having a small body really helps to kind of hides the fact that you're vlogging, and it's even smaller than my phone. Before you buy anything on Shopee or anything on an official website, it's always good to check on other secondhand shops, for example on Carousel, Facebook Marketplace, and also mudah.my, because these three websites can actually get you a really good deal if you can find someone who is actually willing to sell a product that they barely used but is in actually good condition. So here's the battery and the charger. So it's neat that it comes in case, so you can protect your battery, I guess. Open it. There you go. Yep, it does. Woo! Wow. That looks cool. Just want to show you the flippy camera. There. Is it okay? Right, so now I'll show you the camera comparison. Alright, now I'm using my OnePlus 6 phone. So same settings, 1080p, 24 frames per second. And this is the onboard microphone as well. So, and the autofocus is okay, I guess, average. So yep. Hey guys, so this is the first test for the Sony ZV-1. So right now I'm using the onboard audio, as you can see, and this is just a view of in front of my in my house compound. So this is my tiny garden, as you can see. So the cool thing about the Sony ZV-1 is if you want to have a blurry background, you can do it manually. Like you can switch it on and off. So it's called background defocus. So look at this. So as you can see now, it's more focused on my face, and I think the exposure looks nice. Like you can deal with exposure pretty well. And also look at the autofocus. Focus on my hand and now my face. See how quick that was. Alright, so yep, that's the test. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and leave a comment on if you have any questions. So see you guys next time. Look out for more videos in the future using Sony ZV-1 camera. So this will be my last time using my OnePlus camera, which has served me well for over 3 years, from 2018 to 2021. So I'll see you guys. Bye.